As you can notice, I have managed to double the download speed in Google Chrome browser, and I am currently downloading the same file, but before and after the settings I have made. Welcome, my friends, to a new video with your software expert, Professor Hamdane Tayeb. In this video, we will solve the problem of slow downloading in Google Chrome browser, which can be very slow and does not allow you to benefit from the real internet speed you have. This is a very common problem where the download is slow, whether you are downloading any file, program, or application, regardless of its size or type. Continue with us to the end of the video to get rid of this problem. In this channel, we provide solutions to computer problems, solutions to game problems, speeding up games and speeding up Windows, everything related to games and Windows, in addition to artificial intelligence and making a profit from it. So, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button so that we grow together, and do not forget the beautiful like. If you have any questions, write them to us below in the comments so that I don't bother you. Let's get started. Open the Google Chrome browser and go to the three dots on the side, then select Help and choose About Google Chrome. You should update Google Chrome to the latest version. Make sure of this step. If you have recently installed the browser, this step does not apply to you. But if you have been using it for a while, make sure that you update the browser to the latest version. After that, go to the browser's search box, delete these words, and keep only Chromeos, because it is the extension for browser settings, and write flags in front of it. Then press Enter. Like this, we go to the search box here and write Parallel Downloading. It will appear before you finish typing. You will find it set to Default. Change it to Enable. Then click on Relaunch so that the browser restarts and this feature is activated. This improves your internet speed and lets it work at its basic speed. That was everything for today's segment. If you want to solve the problem of a slow browser and its large memory consumption, wait for the next video. I hope you have benefited from the explanation. Support us with a subscription and a like for the video so it can spread and reach the largest number of people. See you in the next video. Goodbye.